Hello friends, today in this video we are going to learn and write how to make sentences. So let's start. First, house. My house is very beautiful. My house is very beautiful. Second, school. I go to school every day. I go to school every day. 3. Cow. Cow gives us milk. Cow gives us milk. Fourth, sky. The color of sky is blue. The color of sky is blue. Fifth, bus. I go to school by bus. I go to school by bus. Sixth, jump. The boy jumps high. The boy jumps high. Seventh, dance. They dance to the music. They dance to the music. Eighth, talk. They talk to each other. They talk to each other. Ninth, play. The kids play in the park. 10th, read. He reads a book. 11th, cook. Mom cooks dinner. 12, climb. The cat climbs the tree. 13, draw. The girl draws a picture. The girl draws a picture. 14, write. He writes his name. He writes his name. 15, sing. She sings a song. She sings a song. Thanks for watching.